If you are also a Saavn lover like me, then you must be knowing that Saavn doesn't let you download the songs for free. So, the people who must not have heard about it, let me explain it to you. Whenever you click on download, it says to buy a subscription. If you don't want to buy the subscription and want to have it for free, just do the first step, uninstall the app. And now you need to go to the link in the description, which will take you to this link, and then you need to click on download and it will start downloading. My internet connection is really fast, so it has been downloaded. Now I need to click it next and install it. Let it install. It might take some time. Now you need to open and select the languages which you want. This is the hacked pro version. Now you need to do cancel and you need to click on done, next and next. So now you would say that I can't download any song in this because you have not logged in. If you log in, then you would be downloading the songs for free without any subscription.